The budget session of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council will commence from 11 a.m. on the 8th of March 2022. Informing this, the chairman of the council, Lamprang Bla, informed that as per Rule 36 and Sub-Rule 1 and 3 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District Rules 1951, he has summoned the council to the session to commence on the 8th of March 2022.
The council will be having the budget session, which already fixed on 8 March 2022 at 11 a.m. So, under Rule 36, Sub-Rule 1 and 3 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District Council of District Council Rule 1951 as amended. So we summoned the session on the 8th of March. It's been next month that we will be sitting on a session to pass the budget of the council.
On the possibility of coincidence between the budget session of the State Legislative Assembly and that of the District Council, as some of the members are both the MLA and MDC, the chairman said that he is hopeful that the MLAs come MDCs will find time to attend the session of the council.
Coincidence, it means that the session is run along at the same time with the session of the state government. So I experienced that some member who is at the same time the MLAs and MDC, but they can manage themselves to attend the house. At the same time, it depends upon their business which they table at the house.